So today, let us continue with the chapter Role of Government and Health. In last class, we studied about what is health. Health is not just considered in terms of illness and injuries, but it is also about adequate food, good environment to live, and less prone to illness. Then we saw the difference between, though India has good colleges, good medical facilities, but still rural areas and certain people are not able to avail that facilities. We have to start with the story of Hakim Sheikh. Hakim Sheikh was a member of Paschim Banga Khet Mazdoor Samiti, an organization of agricultural laborers in West Bengal. One evening in 1992, he accidentally fell off a running train and suffered head injuries. He was in a very serious condition and needed immediate treatment. He was taken to a government hospital in Kolkata, but they refused to admit him because they did not have a spare bed. Another hospital did not have the facility for all the specialized doctors necessary for his treatment. In this way, he spent 14 hours in a critical state and was taken to 8 different government hospitals, but none of them admitted him. Finally, he was admitted in a private hospital where he received treatment. He spent a lot of money on his treatment, angry and upset over the indifferent attitude of all the hospitals that refused to admit him. Hakim Sheikh and PBKMS, that is Paschim Bengal Khet Mazdoor Samiti, filed a case in the court. So here they are talking about a story of Hakim Sheikh. He was a member of Agricultural Union, that is PBKMS. One evening in 1992, when he was travelling through a train, he accidentally fell from the train and suffered from severe head injuries. When a person suffers from severe head injuries, it is but natural that he might be in a serious condition and he needed immediate treatment. He was taken to several government hospitals in Kolkata, but he was refused there. He was taken to 8 different government hospitals, but they gave excuse one or the other. And in this way, he spent 14 hours in a critical state. Lastly, he was taken to private hospital. He got his treatment there, but then he had to spend a lot of money. And they all saw the attitude of government hospitals. So at the end, Hakim Sheikh and PBKMS filed a case in the court. The cost of cure. Aman and Ranjan are good friends. While Aman comes from a well-to-do family, while Ranjan comes from a well-to-do family, Aman's parents have to struggle to make ends meet. So they are talking about 2 children. One name is Aman, who belongs to average family, whose family struggles a lot to make the means end to fulfill their needs, while Ranjan comes from a well-to-do family. So the conversation starts. Hi Aman, good to see you back. How have you been? So he asks, okay, how are you? It's good to see you after so long. I had viral fever and had to go to the hospital. Oh, me too. I just got back to school on Monday. My daddy took me to see the doctor at the new hospital in Kingsway. It was very exciting. So he said, अमन ने बोला कि मैं बीमार था, तो इसलिए मैं हॉस्पिटल में था. And same time even Ranjan said, yeah, when I was not well, so I started coming to school from Monday. And then he said that my daddy took me to the new hospital that is situated in Kingsway, and it was very exciting. The building looked so posh. I thought it was a 5-star hotel. Daddy said that was because it was a private hospital with the best of facilities. Daddy had to pay ₹500 at the reception counter itself before we even met the doctor. There was nice music playing and everything was really clean and shiny. So now Ranjan is giving description of private hospital. The hospital looked very posh, very rich, and it's like a 5-star hotel. Then he said that his father informed him that it is because that hospital was private and had the best facilities of the city. His father had to pay rupees 500 at the reception center because that's their counseling fees even before they met the doctor. Everything was so clean, hygienic and shining, and even they played background music that was soft and nice to listen. The doctor asked for many tests, but everyone was so friendly. The lady who took my blood for testing told me so many jokes that I forgot to feel the pain. And have you heard the one about the Batman on reality TV? So that is how the lady was trying to entertain that boy. The doctors were also very friendly. They told him to go for many tests, and the staff who took the blood for testing was also very nice. The lady was very nice, and the lady told Ranjan many jokes so that he could forget his pain. After the test results came, we went back to doctor. He looked through them and said everything was fine and I only had viral fever. He prescribed some medicines and rest. So after the test results came, they again went to the doctor, and the doctor was analyzing the report, was going through the report, and then he said that okay, everything is normal, you don't have anything except viral fever. And later on he prescribed some medicines and told him to rest. Doctor, how did the doctor describe that he had viral fever? And so, young man, this pink pill should be taken 3 times a day and the white tablet once before the bedtime. That's for body ache. This one is a syrup. Don't worry, it's tasty. So that is how he is describing the medicine, the dose he has to take. And later on, Ranjan says, thank you doctor, I already feel better. You see, I have been dying to tell you about it. But what about you? Which hospital did you go? So Ranjan tells Aman that I have been dying to tell you about my experience at the hospital. But then he asks that what did you do at the hospital, or which hospital did you go? So Aman says, it wasn't as nice as yours at all. At first, Abba didn't want to take me because he said it would take too much time. And it really did. We went to a big government hospital. We had to wait in a long queue at the OPD counter. OPD is outdoor patients. I was feeling so sick that I had to lean on Abba all the time. So he says that okay, I didn't go to the hospital that was as nice as yours, and initially Aman's father did not want to take him to the hospital because it would take too much time, and it literally did too much time because they went to a big government hospital, and generally government hospital has long queue for OPD counters, and Aman was so weak and was not feeling well that he had to lean on Abba, on his father all the time. When our turn came, the doctor examined me and asked for a blood test. Then we had to go and stand in another long queue. People were crowding around it, the test room too. So he said that when my turn came, the doctor examined me and he also asked for a blood test. And then we had to go and stand in the long queue for the blood test also. And there were many people there, they were making crowd and in the testing room also. We got the test results after 3 days and went back to hospital. There was a different doctor that day. Show me his OPD card and the test results quickly, please. So the test results came after 3 days, and after collecting the results, they went to the hospital again. And this time there was a different doctor. And the doctor said that show me his OPD card and his test results fast, please. He seems to be suffering from a bout of viral fever. Nothing to worry about. All he needs is this one fever reducing medicine. So the doctor there said that he is suffering from viral fever and there is nothing to worry about. All he needs is one medicine that will reduce his fever. Then Ranjan says, my hospital was nice, but they gave me many medicines and the whole thing cost quite a lot. So Aman says, oh, my treatment did not cost much. So here they have mentioned the difference between the public and the private healthcare services. As we all know, public services are generally government hospitals. There you have to wait for a long time, but the treatment is much cheaper compared to private hospitals. Whereas in private hospitals, cleanliness is maintained, hygiene is maintained, and the necessary things and the process is quick and fast as compared to public hospitals, but there you have to pay handsome amount. Okay, you have to answer these questions. Where do you go when you are ill? Are there any problems that you face? Write a paragraph based on your experience. You have to write and we will discuss this in the class. What problems did Aman face in the government hospital? So you have to that he had to stand in a long queue. There was a long queue in the testing room also. So you have to mention all the problems that Aman faced. How do you think the hospitals can work in a better manner? How can hospitals work in a better manner? You have to discuss this as well. And next question is, why did Ranjan have to spend so much money? You have to give reasons. And what problems do we face in the private hospitals? You have to discuss that as well. We'll continue with this in the next class.